Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Then download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Now select the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or click on OK right away. Either way, when you finished, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Fold 6. Also on Samsung device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you're ready to continue, use Send button next to Selected at the bottom. Then click Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to share a link, you need to click on this button and then sign in. If you don't want to do that, you can pick one of those connection ways. In order to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then connect using Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon available at the top over here above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your device's camera at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!